Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to show you how to install RAM on an older Windows computer, or in this case a desktop. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to get inside of here. So we have these two screws which we have already taken out right here and right here. So we'll set these aside. We are going to remove the back cover by sliding it out to expose the computer itself. Now, if we go into this area right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the DIMMs where the RAM goes. As you can see, here's our new RAM, and that's going to replace that. So we have, let me move this so you guys can see. So right here, this clip right there, we're just going to push that back. There's another one over here, right there. Going to push that back, and out pops our old RAM. Set that aside. Here's the new RAM. Gonna put it in just like we took it out. So it is lined up. Start the clips. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna press down on both sides firmly and evenly at the same time so they both snap. See how that was almost simultaneous? It's locked in. The RAM is installed. And you ready to go? Thanks for watching, guys.